The one thing that makes a person stand out from the crowd, and those are his habits. What someone had said, the best version of yourself is not I can do anything version of yourself. The best version of yourself is the most disciplined version of yourself. These are the habits that make a person successful and a person unsuccessful. And it's true that if the habit of successful people make them successful, then if you also adopt their habits, then you will also become successful. So in today's video, I'm going to tell you 5 habits of highly successful people. If you follow from today, you will also become successful. So let's start the video. Habit number 1, wake up before the sunrise. This is the very common habit in successful people because there are many benefits of getting up early in the morning. And the biggest advantage of this is that people who wake up early in the morning get a few extra hours in the whole day than those who wake up late. Now just imagine if you get just 2 extra hours daily to focus on your goals, then where will you be in next 1 year? So my brother, if you also want to become successful, then start getting up early in the morning from today itself. The second habit of highly successful people are curiosity. Successful people are very curious to know anything and to learn anything. They are crazy for their goals. They always try to learn something new. So if you also want to become successful, then you should always keep learning and try something new. Third habit of highly successful people are focus on one goal at a time. Multitasking is just a myth. No one can do more than one work at the same time. And if he does, then his focus will divide and not remain on any work, and he will get distracted again and again. That's why successful people select the most important task first and finish it with full focus and dedication. And if you also work with full focus and dedication on your most important goal from today, then you too can become successful. Fourth habit, consistency. Successful people are always consistent in their work because they know very well that they will not get success in a day, but one day they will definitely get it. And that's why they work hard daily so that one day they can be successful. So if you also want to be successful, then you also have to work consistently to fulfill your dreams. Fifth habit of highly successful people, and this is the only habit which every successful people have, and that is book reading. Successful people are very curious to know anything. That's why they read different type of books daily so that they can learn something new every day. And this is one such habit that makes them different from the rest and keep them ahead of others. So these are the 5 powerful habits of highly successful people which makes them extraordinary. So if you also follow these habits from today, then you can also be successful one day. Hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, then subscribe to our channel to see more such motivational and self-improving videos. And lastly, I want to say that be the only one or the best one.